When you hear the phrase free traffic, it's easy to get skeptical, but tools like Domain Ninja are trying to give that phrase some legitimacy by offering a way to tap into expired domains that still receive real visitors. In this review, we'll take a closer look at how it works, what it actually offers, where it falls short, and who might realistically benefit from it. At its core, Domain Ninja is a research and automation tool. It helps you find expired domains, specifically domains that were previously linked on high-traffic platforms like Reddit, YouTube, Quora, and others. These domains may no longer have active websites, but some still receive residual traffic or backlinks. The idea is to capture that attention by registering the expired domain, then either redirecting that traffic or rebuilding the site using its original structure. One of the main features of Domain Ninja is its cloning system. It allows you to recreate the structure and content of the old site using AI tools. This can be useful if you want to rebuild the domain for SEO purposes or to maintain link equity. It also comes with an AI blog writer, which helps in keeping your cloned or repurposed site active with new posts. There's also built-in hosting included, which is notable at this price point. You don't have to configure DNS settings or pay for separate hosting packages, which makes it more beginner-friendly. Now, let's break down the practical side, what works and what might not. Starting with the pros. First, the domain discovery feature is genuinely useful. You can filter based on traffic sources, backlink profiles, and availability, which saves a lot of manual research time. Second, the one-click cloning feature does simplify the process of reviving an expired site. You don't have to know HTML or scrape sites yourself. Third, having a built-in AI content system keeps your site fresh, which is helpful if your goal is long-term SEO growth. Also, the fact that hosting is bundled means fewer moving parts. And there's a commercial license which allows you to build or flip sites for others if you want to monetize your skills. But let's talk about the limitations. Just because a domain used to get traffic doesn't mean it still does. The data may show a history of backlinks or Reddit mentions, but the actual user flow could be close to zero. That's a real risk, especially if you're planning to build a business model on it. Second, while cloning a site sounds good in theory, the copied content may be outdated, irrelevant, or potentially problematic if the original content was copyrighted or niche-specific. You'll need to manually review and edit, especially if you care about accuracy or brand identity. Third, AI-generated blog content has improved, but it's still not flawless. If you care about long-term SEO or building trust, you'll probably want to customize the output or at least proofread and fact-check. Also, the tool assumes a basic understanding of domain metrics. While it's beginner-friendly in terms of UI, you'll get better results if you understand what things like referring domains, DA, or traffic potential actually mean. Who's this tool actually for? It's best suited for digital marketers, content creators, niche site builders, or freelancers looking to build quick websites for low investment. If you're someone testing affiliate offers, collecting leads, or just trying to learn the ropes of SEO, this could be a low-risk tool to experiment with. But if you're building a brand, looking for content quality and depth, or working in regulated industries, this probably won't replace custom web development or a solid SEO strategy. In terms of pricing, Domain Ninja is currently available for a one-time payment of around $14. That includes lifetime access, hosting, and support. There are no monthly fees, which is appealing if you're cost-conscious. But as always, the value depends on how well you use it. If you just buy the tool and let it sit, it won't do anything on its own. To wrap this up, Domain Ninja is not a magic bullet, but it is an interesting utility for people trying to shortcut some of the early steps in website building or traffic generation. If you treat it like a tool, not a business model, you'll be in a better position to get real value from it. If you're interested in the more detailed use cases, check the website link in the description. It helps you with some clarity what to expect once you're inside the dashboard. Let me know in the comments. That's it. Thank you for your time. Like and subscribe. I see you in the next one.